Welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, guys, we have a haul, and it is from Dollar Tree, and we went to a different location about 40 minutes away. So let's jump right into it. It is a small haul though, so let's jump into it and I'll show you what I got from there. So, okay. The Dollar Tree, and it wasn't even in the square section, the craft section, it was in a different section, but I found these gems, the heart gems, clear. I wanted the round ones, but I couldn't find them. I think I grabbed two of these. Let me see. Yep, I grabbed, oh, I didn't even realize I grabbed red. I meant to grab two clear. Okay, one red, one clear. And those are for DIYs. And so like I said, I was looking for these in the clear, but the pale pink I needed for a project anyway, so I grabbed one of those. And none of the Dollar Trees where I am have gems, but in this particular location I managed to get more of these ruby red. I'm really liking that red, guys, because it's just like so beautiful. So these were the only two bags they had, so I took those. And then only one of the clear. Like I try to stock up on these whenever I can. Now, so this is new. I never seen it, at least in the Dollar Trees in my area, and it's ceramic. Almost reminds me of a tag. So you can write something here. I don't know. I just saw it and I thought you could add your own message. That's what this label here says. So I think we're gonna do that. I grabbed one of those. Now with the scissors, at least in the crafting section, I saw these. I never seen these before. Ergo Junior Westcott scissors. And they are on the smaller side. They're a little bit bigger than the detailing and smaller than the regular. But look how nice those look. So I'm anxious to try those. And the kitchen section, I grabbed one of these knives with the silicone. I didn't cut that thing off. It comes with the cover, and I don't think I ever noticed this size or this knife in that area, so I grabbed one. And also the bling wrap is very scarce right now in the silver and in the gold. So this is a double and this is a triple. I just my son helped me grab one of, the only two that were there. So I got that. Then I was looking all over the place for the chopping mats. At least at that location I found them. There's 2 in each pack, so I grabbed 2 packs. So I always use these for crafting, so I grabbed that. Now at one of the Dollar Trees near me here, they did have this mason jar, but they only had one. So I found them at this location and I grabbed 2 more, because these are really good size for storing stuff in the kitchen. Or anywhere really, but this size is unusual, and just so you know, they are the ball name jars, so these are very good jars, so I grabbed 2 of those. Now in the crafter section, okay, I grabbed 2 more of these, guys, because I have a DIY for these, and I absolutely love these flowers, wooden flowers. Now, they did bring back the wooden letters. Guys, so I grabbed 2 packs because you only get 1 letter of each in the pack. So if you need multiple letters, you always have to keep up. That's why I have that big box. I have a big box where I keep all the letters. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree and I see them, I kind of stockpile them so I can get a nice little collection going. Now I got 1, 2. Okay, guys, so like I was saying before, I grabbed 5 of these. And the reason why I grabbed 5 of these is because you never know when they're going to bring them in. Now, are they all the same size? No, they're not. I'm just noticing they're not. So these are the 14 millimeters, and these 3 are the 12. So I'm actually happy about that, believe it or not. I didn't realize that. I thought they were all the same. So I grabbed this to stockpile. Just to fill up my containers, my crafting containers. So, these always come very handy, guys, for lighting candles, and these are Scripto, and I just grabbed another one. I have one, but I grabbed another one. Then I grabbed one of these from in the kitchen section. These are the mesh strainer, the little one, because I don't have a little one, so I grabbed one of those. And then they have the floral wire in the purple or this lavender color, and I hadn't seen it in a while, so I grabbed one of these guys. So now another thing I had trouble finding, at least at the Dollar Trees by me, is the 11 by 14 frames, because I want to do another craft. And so I really needed these. They happen to have them. I grabbed two. So guys, I told you this was a small haul, and again, I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. I hope you enjoy the video, and share the video if you liked it, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.